everyone. Welcome back to the channel. This is SK Car Reviews, and today we are diving deep into one of the most anticipated compact SUVs of the year, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza. Packed with exciting updates and modern features, the new Brezza promises to redefine the segment. So buckle up as we take you through its exterior, interior, performance, safety features, unique selling points, price, and our final thoughts. Starting with the exterior, the 2025 Brezza comes with a bold and dynamic design language that is sure to turn heads on the road. The updated front grille, sleek LED headlamps with integrated DRLs, and a more pronounced bumper give it an aggressive yet sophisticated look. The new 17-inch diamond-cut alloy wheels add a touch of sportiness, while the sharp character lines along the body enhance its premium appeal. The rear features updated LED tail lamps and a reworked bumper, completing the SUV's modern aesthetic. With dual-tone color options and a sunroof, the Brezza continues to impress. Moving to the interior, Maruti Suzuki has focused on delivering a more premium and tech-savvy experience. The spacious cabin is wrapped in high-quality materials, offering a plush feel. The new 10.1-inch floating touchscreen infotainment system supports Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, while the fully digital instrument cluster provides all the vital information in an easily accessible format. The seats are well cushioned and offer excellent lumbar support, ensuring a comfortable ride for both driver and passengers. Features like ambient lighting, wireless charging, a cooled glove box, and a 360-degree camera further elevate the in-cabin experience. When it comes to performance, the 2025 Brezza is powered by a 1.5-liter K-Series petrol engine with mild hybrid technology, delivering an impressive balance of power and fuel efficiency. The engine produces 103 brake horsepower and 138 newton-meters of torque, paired with either a 5-speed manual or a 6-speed automatic transmission. The hybrid system ensures better mileage, making it an ideal choice for both city commutes and highway drives. The suspension setup is tuned for comfort, while the electric steering offers precise handling, making it a joy to drive in varied conditions. Safety is a top priority for Maruti Suzuki, and the Brezza reflects this with a comprehensive suite of features. It comes equipped with 6 airbags, ABS with EBD, electronic stability control, and hill hold assist. Additionally, the car includes ISO-fix child seat anchors, a tire pressure monitoring system, and front and rear parking sensors. The new generation Brezza also boasts a high-strength body structure designed to enhance crash safety, ensuring peace of mind for you and your family. What sets the 2025 Brezza apart from its competitors are its unique selling points. The inclusion of a factory-fitted electric sunroof, a first in its segment, adds a touch of luxury. The hybrid technology ensures superior fuel efficiency, making it a cost-effective option in the long run. Its compact dimensions, coupled with advanced features like the 360-degree camera and rear AC vents, make it an excellent choice for urban families seeking a feature-packed SUV with exceptional value for money. Talking about the price, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza starts at an ex-showroom price of 8,99,000 rupees for the base variant and goes up to 14,50,000 rupees for the top-end model. With its competitive pricing, the Brezza offers a strong value proposition in the compact SUV segment, catering to a wide range of buyers. In conclusion, the 2025 Maruti Suzuki Brezza is a well-rounded package that combines style, performance, safety, and technology. Whether you're a first-time SUV buyer or someone looking to upgrade, the Brezza checks all the boxes. Its modern design, feature-rich interior, and efficient engine make it a compelling choice in its segment. That's it for today's review. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to SK Car Reviews for more detailed reviews and comparisons. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.